In this video I want to introduce you to the Joom donation system for Joomla, and I just want to show you how it works. So here it is in action on the website, fairly basic donation form, allowing one-time or recurring donations, pre-configured amounts or people typing in an amount, and then handling payments via Stripe or PayPal or other methods. So let's have a look at how it looks in the back end. So we have installed it on this Joomla website, and once it is installed, go to Components and Joom Donation. Here's our dashboard where we can see the recent donations that have come in. Let's head first into Campaigns. So this is listing the existing campaigns on the website. So you can click New to add a new one, or just simply add it in this way here. So you can see it here with the title, a short description. You can put a start date, end date and goal, allowing one-time or recurring donations. You can put a limit to the donation system so it doesn't donate more than you want. You can add in a description, and you can also define the messages that are sent to people who sign up to a campaign. Once you have created a campaign, you can add it to a menu link by clicking Add New Menu Item and then selecting Joom Donation and the donation form, and then you can select your new donation form that you have made and give it a title and save it in the menu. So that's how to set up new campaigns in Joom Donation. To manage the existing ones, you can also have a look at the custom fields. So the fields have to do with what people are asked to fill in. So in this case, we're asking them just a handful of questions. If we want to add extra, we can add them in here by clicking New. And you can see there are a number of these that we have disabled, but I can click on the red X to enable them and make them available as options that we want people to fill in. So now we'll go back to the dashboard one more time, and let's have a look at the donors. So donors will list those who have donated on this website, how much they have donated, and you can click into any of those donors to view more details about the donation that was made. Back in the dashboard, there are payment plugins that defines how payment is made on the website. You can export the donors to a CSV or Excel file, and there's also the configuration area that has a number of options that are quite self-explanatory if one wants to use more detailed options for Joom Donation. So this is how the Joom Donation system works for Joomla 3.